Hello, my name is Shivani Sugandhi. Previous video lecture we started the class 8 maths NCERT chapter 1 rational numbers. Today's video we are going to study additive inverse and what is the multiplicative inverse, or we can say it reciprocal. So first we will study additive inverse. What is additive inverse? We can say that what should be added in a number that it become a 0. Suppose a is any rational number, added slash equals to 0. So what should be added? What should be added in a that a number become 0? Let's suppose if we add minus a in it, then we know that a plus minus minus a. So what will come? It become a 0. So let's take example of it. We have taken any rational number is 2 by 3. So we have to take out the additive inverse of this 2 by 3. How we will take out 2 by 3? What should be added in a 2 by 3 that it become a 0? So let 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 2 by 3 plus, here I have written a bracket, is equals to 0. So what should be added in 2 by 3? We are adding minus 2 by 3. So it's 2 by 3 plus minus minus 2 by 3. It became 0. So what is additive inverse? We can say जो भी हमको एडिटिव, अगर हमें किसी नंबर का एडिटिव इन्वर्स निकालना है तो हम उसमें क्या करेंगे, उसको क्या कर देंगे, अगर इफ़ इट इज़ अ पॉजिटिव देन वी विल हम उसमें क्या कर लेंगे, नेगेटिव साइन ले लेंगे. So in this example we have seen that if अगर हमारे पास प्लस में in positive rational number there is 2 by 3. if we add माइनस के साथ अगर हम 2 by 3 ऐड करें तो क्या बन जाता है, 0. So additive inverse of 2 by 3 is, इसका additive inverse will be minus 2 by 3. Similarly we are taking another example, that is 2. 4. We have to take out the additive inverse of minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4, what should be added here so that it become 0? We will add 1 by 4 in it. So plus so it will become 0. So additive inverse of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 will be Next we will study additive inverse, which is also called reciprocal. In additive inverse, what should be multiplied in a number that a number become 0? We have a question, what should be in this multiplicative inverse? We will see what should be multiplied in a number, in a given number that we get 1. So what suppose a is any number, what should be multiplied in a number that we get 1? So what should be added? So we have to add, if we a multiply by what, that it we get 1. That we multiplied by 1 by a. So a is cancelled out with a. What will remain? A. So in this is also called this 1 by a. Here this 1 by a is called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a. Okay, we will understand with some examples. So our first example is 2. What is the reciprocal of this 2? So as we have seen, what is multiplicative inverse is what should be multiplied in 2 that we get 1. So 2 multiply by with what number that we get 1. So what should be multiplied in 2? Let's we multiply by 1 by 2. So this 2 will cancel out with 2. So what will remain? 1. So our additive inverse, so our reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Just हम क्या करेंगे, इसको जस्ट रेसिप्रोकल, इसको हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई 2 को 1/2 लिख देंगे, तो ये हमारा क्या आ जाएगा, रेसिप्रोकल आ जाएगा 2 का. नाउ in our second example we have given 7/4. We have to take out the additive inverse of this 7/4. So what should be multiplied? So 7/4 multiplied by what should be multiplied, that we get here 1. So let's multiply by this 4 upside will write, this 7 will write downside. So here if we have to take out so we will get 4 is cancelled with 4, 7 get cancelled with 7, so it will remain 1. So add it. So here multiplicative inverse or reciprocal is 7/4 is 4/7. To take out, in a simple word we can say that to take out the reciprocal of any number, we just do one thing. That we will here say in a, let's suppose 7/4, we'll replace these numbers, we'll replace numerator by denominator and we'll replace denominator by numerator, so we get the inverse of any number, so we'll get the multiplicative inverse of any number. So again I will understand some example, we will take one more example. Now we have to find out the reciprocal of 5/7. How we will take out the reciprocal of 5/7? As I have जिसे हमने पहले देखा, to take out a reciprocal of any number, we will interchange numerator by denominator and denominator by numerator. So what will be 7/5. So in the definition we have seen what should be multiplied in a number that we get 1. So here 5/7 multiplied by what number, so we get 1. Here is what the value is, 7/5. Write it here, 7/5. This 5 is cancelled out with 5 and 7 is cancelled out with 7, so we will get 1. So here the reciprocal of 5/7 is 7/5. Thank you.